If you want to add radiant heating to an existing floor without major demo, Uponor Joist Trak is a smart, efficient way to do it. Joist Trak is an extruded aluminum heat transfer plate designed to hold half-inch Uponor PEX-A pipe between the floor joists. It helps to transfer heat evenly to the floor above for quiet, consistent comfort. Joist Trak is ideal for basements and crawl spaces, retrofits in existing homes, and radiant add-ons without removing flooring. Use it for residential hydronic radiant heating anywhere joist access is available. Avoid Joist Trak where there's no joist access, places like slab on grade or finished ceilings without room for routing. Install Joist Trak by fastening the plates with screws between joists. Spacing and layout matter. Follow Uponor guidelines for consistent loop design and tubing spacing. Then, press in the half-inch PEX-A pipe, no special clips required. With Joist Trak, you get efficient heat transfer with less tubing contact, lower water temperatures resulting in energy savings, minimal disruption to finished floors, and a proven, reliable way to add radiant heat in existing homes. Uponor Joist Trak, radiant heating that fits where it matters.